Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given 2 roots 8x minus 4 equal to 6. And we are expected to find the value of this x. If you want to solve this question correctly, the first thing you need to do is to get rid of this 2 that is attached to this root. That's the first thing you need to do. And the question is, how do we get rid of this 2? We can do that by dividing both sides by 2. So our first step is to divide both sides by 2. Here's the solution. We have 2 roots 8x minus 4 equal to 6. So we are going to divide this side by 2 and also divide this by 2. This 2 here will cancel this 2. And we are left with square root of 8x minus 4 equal to 6 divided by 2 give us 3. The next thing to do is to get rid of this square root sign here. And how do we do that? Anytime you want to remove square root sign, you take the square of both sides of the equation. So we are going to square both sides of the equation. We're going to square this and also square this. This power 2 here will cancel this square root sign. And we are left with 8x minus 4 equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which is 9. So we have 9 here. The next thing we are going to do is to collect like terms. We are going to move this negative 4 to this side of the equation so that only 8x will be left alone on one side of the equation. When we do that, we are going to have 8x equal to this 9. Then when this negative 4 crosses to this side, it changes to positive 4. So it becomes positive 4. So now we have 8x equal to 9 plus 4. That will give us 13. We are looking for x, not 8x. So we have to divide both sides by this 8 that is attached to the x. We divide this by 8 and also divide this by 8. This 8 here will cancel this 8. And we are left with x equal to 13 divided by 8. And because we have an improper fraction here, we have to convert it to mixed fraction. And the question is, how do we convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction? This is what we need to do. How many 8s can be found inside this 13? It's just 1. So you write 1 whole number. Now, if you see this slash, you put it here. Carry this 8 and write here. 8 times 1 will give us what? 8. That 8 now plus what will give us 13? 5. So the answer is 1 whole number 5 over 8, and this is the answer to this question. What can you say about this video? Drop it in the comment section.